This is my 2Captcha payment proof. In this video, I will walk you through different 2Captcha payment methods and how to withdraw from 2Captcha to your AirTM account with ease. You can do that very fast. Do me one big favor, please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing this for me. So, how do you withdraw your 2Captcha earnings to your AirTM account? Let me show you. How do you get paid? For you to get paid, you click payout. It is important you know this. You'll be able to request your first payout 4 days after your registration. After that, you can withdraw your money at any time and you'll be able to see any amount that is on hold, any amount that is pending, available amount. You can see I have this available amount with me that I can cash out. For you to decide how you get paid on this platform, you click change wallet. You can see these are wallet, that is different payment methods that you can choose from, and these are the minimum balance that you can have before you can get paid with each of these payment method. You can use PayA. It has a low payment threshold 0.5, that is 5 cents. You can use AirTM $1 and you can withdraw using Bitcoin Cash 0.25. This is the highest, which is $30, that is using USDT with TRC20 network. Look at this place, no fee. They will not charge you to cash out from this platform. Rather, you get 10% bonus. It is important you know that there's no charges to cash out. All you need to do to decide the payment method you want to use is to select your choice of payment method. And if I'm to recommend, I recommend you use AirTM. Why am I doing that? Because I've been using AirTM for a long time, and if you use my link, which is below the description of this video, AirTM will give you a gift of $3 when you meet their requirement. So I will select AirTM here because I will use AirTM. You are expected to input your AirTM email address. I will put my AirTM email address here. You just click save. You've changed your payment method. You have to go and check your email to confirm that you are the one changing your payment method for 2Captcha before this payment method can be accepted. You can see after I've changed my payment method, my email has been attached to my wallet data and my wallet type is AirTM. That is the payment method I decide to choose. So when you want to get paid, you just select please enter payout amount. You just select the amount you want to get paid. In this case, this amount. You just click request payout and you'll be able to expect your money on your AirTM account. For me to withdraw this money, you come to payout. I'm using AirTM payment method. You just key in the amount you want to cash out. I want to cash out 2.0106. You just click request payout. You can see payout request has been successful. You can see pending payout. You can see my account balance is now zeroized. That is 0. Look at it here too. 0. If you check payout history, you can see this is the amount I cash out to my AirTM account. You can see the time 22:35 when the payment was made. The same hour I received the payment. In fact, this is the fastest AirTM payment I've gotten from any platform. You can see you receive $2.06 and you can see this is my AirTM account. Look at the amount is here. Payment received from 2Captcha. You can now cash out your 2Captcha to your AirTM account. Also, don't forget to take advantage of my WhatsApp Business Mastery course. You will learn how to make money using WhatsApp for business. You will see the link below the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.